your stock picks for today, Ricus?
About 2 months ago, I had Datatec, and they came out with a trading update. And I know there's a restatement of numbers, but even if you look through that, all their divisions did well. Their plan in getting more annuity rather than just product sales, that seems to be coming through okay. They're in the right sector of the market as far as tech is concerned. There's not going to be a reduction in the demand for things like cybersecurity or services, and they're trading on a forward price earnings of probably about 10, which is, I think, considering their global spread, undervalued if you compare it with companies in the same business.
All right. JP, where are you seeking opportunity today?
So we know a lot of local shares are cheap, so cheap that the company is being taken over. So my stock pick is a company that has announced a deal that they will potentially be taken over, and that's Metrofile. So Metrofile does document management, and there's a lot of paper around, even though we've digitized a lot of what we do, and legal agreements and all kinds of government things that must still be kept in a paper-based type box in a big warehouse. And the company also has got the digitization service where they can digitize paper. It's trading currently at 3 Rand a share. The offer has been indicated to be 3.25 Rand. So that's almost 8.5%. And the long stop date is in April next year, which is in roughly 6 months' time. So that means you can just times the return by 2 to annualize it. So you're talking about a return of almost 17% on an annualized basis. If you buy Metrofiles at the current price, and if everything goes according to plan, and the deal does happen at 3.25 Rand. So I think I wouldn't call it guaranteed, but a very high probability of a 17% annualized return for the next half a year is quite attractive in a market that in general is expensive, except for SA Incs. And I own enough SA Inc type shares in my portfolio, so it's nice to mitigate my risk and diversify by buying some Metrofile as well.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time and for your analysis today, gents. Really appreciate your time. That is all for tonight's Stock Watch. Thanks to our guests, Ricus Reeders from PSG Hole in One Ruimsig and Pierre Verster from Protea Capital Management. Up next, the close. Stay watching.
Stockwatch is brought to you by Merchant West. Where others stop, we push further. Because we believe business as usual doesn't lead anywhere new. Go beyond with Merchant West. Finance, invest, insure.